Looking for a roofing solution that actually keeps your home cooler? White TPO roofing might be the game changer you need. So, here's the deal with white thermoplastic polyolefin roofing. This stuff is all about reflecting sunlight instead of soaking it up like those dark roofs do. If you're tired of your house turning into a sauna every summer, switching to white TPO can seriously lower your indoor temps. Plus, it's super durable and resistant to cracks or leaks, which is clutch if you want your roof to last without constant repairs. When installing, make sure the surface is clean and smooth, because TPO sticks best to that, helping it seal tight. Also, keep an eye on proper seam welding. It's what keeps water out and your roof intact. You don't want to mess around with shortcuts here. A good contractor knows how to handle these details right. And hey, maintenance is easy. Just regular cleaning to keep that reflective power strong and prevent dirt from dulling it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with TPO roofing is going cheap on installation, which leads to leaks and costly repairs down the line. The fix? Hire pros who specialize in TPO and check their reviews before signing anything. Another issue is ignoring regular upkeep, so dirt and debris build up and reduce the roof's reflectivity. Just schedule simple cleanings a couple of times a year to avoid that. Lastly, some folks pick TPO that isn't rated for their climate. If you live somewhere with extreme weather swings, make sure your TPO membrane can handle it, or you'll end up with cracks or shrinkage. Always ask for product specs and warranty info before buying. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors a breeze, so you don't waste time or money on shady work. If you're a contractor, it's a solid spot to connect with homeowners ready to get their projects done right.